Good evening, family, and happy Monday to you guys. Hopefully, you had a wonderfully blessed day. Most importantly, hopefully, you had a safe day wherever you're at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy Jaime G. That be this guy right here, guys. For those of you that don't know, I'm that guy that brings the latest and greatest in developing and breaking news in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Obviously, guys, we're gonna dive into some Doge news, talk about a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now, if you're new to the channel, maybe you can please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, or don't. It's all good in the hood. I just appreciate you dropping by my channel, visiting it as a visitor, and just seeing what this channel is all about. Well, guys, on this channel, I like to keep you guys informed on the latest and greatest, man, because if you don't know what's going on current events, then you're going to get left behind. And I'm trying to get me and my subscribers to become those crypto millionaires, right? That's going to take time. Ain't going to happen overnight. But wishful thinking and positive thinking, and we will achieve that, right? As long as you continue to hodl and be diamond hands. We are in the beginning stages of cryptocurrency, guys. All right, guys, enough of me yip-yapping on that. None of this is financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Okay, guys? Nothing more, nothing less. Let's just dive right into the content. Bitcoin is right now at 39,124. Oh, 39,116 with 61 cents. It is down 1.55% for the day. All right, guys, we have this $28.8 trillion infrastructure bill, right? That's on the table right now, and it's got some kind of literature in there talking about taxing crypto. And there's a lot of fear over that, a lot of negativity surrounding Bitcoin and crypto because of that, guys, right? So that's why a lot of people think Bitcoin's down, but I think Bitcoin's just taking a breather, guys. We had 10 daily green candles, which is bullish and which is good considering of where we were at not too long ago with Bitcoin. All right, guys, well, enough of good old Grandpa Bitcoin. We're going to dive right into the main superstar, yours truly, Dogecoin. All right, guys, Doge is sitting at 0.2029. We're down 0.69% for the day. We have a 24-hour high of 0.2084, which is the higher 20 cents. We have a 24-hour low of 0.2027, right? So we're just barely above that 24-hour low. Our market cap is sitting at 26.56 billion. Hasn't changed pretty much since yesterday. And our volume is at $1.127 billion, which is down just a tad bit from yesterday because we were at 1.7 billion. But all right, guys, now let's just briefly look at the technicals real quick and show you guys why I am bullish on when it comes to the technicals. We have broke out of a descending triangle, right, guys, as I continuously tell you guys pretty much in all my videos, right? So this is the daily chart, right? I like to look at the daily action. Let me shrink myself up. Okay, guys, so we're going to briefly be looking at these two white lines. As you see, we're breaking to the upside, right? This channel is going up ever since we broke out of the descending triangle. So I'm going to give you 3 bullish reasons why I'm bullish when it comes to the technicals. 1, on July 21st, we broke out of the descending triangle to the upside, as you can see right here with these 2 white lines with the channel going up. 2, we broke past our level of resistance, which was the 20-day moving average. We busted past that. And 3, we put in 7 green daily candles when we broke out of that descending triangle, right? So those are 3 reasons why I'm technically bullish when it comes to Dogecoin. I mean, those are as far as the technicals. There's plenty of fundamental reasons as well on why I'm bullish, but those are 3 technical reasons that I can give you right now, and that's why I'm showing you on the chart. Now, levels of resistance are still pretty much the same. The 200-day moving average, which is the lower red line, guys, that is sitting at 19 cents. And the 50-day moving average, which is sitting at about 0.2255. So for me, that's 23 cents. I'm rounding that up to 23 cents. All right, guys, so that's what the takeaway from looking at the chart here. I like to keep it pretty beginner friendly, easy breezy when it comes to the technicals. All right, guys, now let's dive right into this article right here. All right, let's get into some fundamentals here. Now it says Dogecoin price analysis. It says Dogecoin price continues to move in a slow pace uptrend, and I agree, guys, because we've been consolidating for ever since we broke out. We're on an uptrend, guys, but we've been consolidating, trading in a tight pattern, plus or minus 3 cents, right? It goes up 3 cents and it comes down 3 cents. It doesn't go any higher or any lower than that as of now, because I truly believe it's priming and getting ready for a major breakout to the upside. Reason why I believe that is because we broke out of this descending triangle to the upside, right, guys? That doesn't mean that we can't break to the downside when we do have this major breakout. But I believe because of us breaking to the upside and us continuing to go on an uptrend gradually, I think we're getting primed for a major breakout. All right. It says It says Doge price is currently moving in an uptrend with an upside parallel channel. It might observe a new high of 25 cents in the future. Technical indicators of Dogecoin suggest a strong bullish momentum in price. Meanwhile, the Doge Bitcoin pair has observed a rise of more than 3.7% in the intraday session. It says Dogecoin price is currently in a slow-paced uptrend and can soon cross beyond the resistance of 30 cents. Dogecoin price is currently trading near the value of 0.215 with a gain of 3.5% in the intraday session. The asset price has an ROI of more than 42,000%. 42,000%, guys, that is huge, which has always attracted investors towards it. The bullish momentum of Dogecoin can face the resistance of the upside near the value of 30 cents. In contrast, the bounce back region and the price can be seen near the value of 0.1. It says Dogecoin price can soon see a major breakout above 30 cents. One can invest in Doge as per their risk capacity and price action. It says Dogecoin price has slid down by more than 74% from its all-time high. The market dominance of the token is greater than 1.6% and is currently ranked 7 in the cryptoverse. Yeah, guys, it's down 74% from its all-time high, but it's still sitting at freaking like 3,500% gains since then. That is huge. You would still be in profit if you invested back like in January. It goes, in contrast, the asset volume along with the market cap has seen an increase in the past few days. The volume to the market capitalization ratio of the coin is near 0.053, suggesting a slow-paced uptrend in price. And I agree, guys, right? They even show right here on their chart here, right, that we are in a uptrend. It says the weekly technical chart of Dogecoin suggests a strong bullish momentum in price for upcoming days. The price coin has seen formed in bullish engulfing pattern on the daily chart. Pretty much that channel that I showed you guys, right? It says it is currently trading below the 50-day moving average, which is the level of resistance, and 100-day moving average with a negative crossover on the past trading session. The 50-day moving average line is currently near 22 cents, making it temporary resistance. Like I said, it says region for the coin. Dogecoin might see a small downside correction in the future before reaching a new high, right? Like I said, because it's trading and consolidating in a very tight pattern. It's priming up, baby. It says the Doge Bitcoin pair can also observe a new high in the upcoming days. Conclusion: Dogecoin price is currently in a uptrend to the daily chart and can soon see a breakout above 30 cents. The Doge Bitcoin pair can also break the previous resistance created in the past and can reach new highs. One should do their due diligence before investing. All right, guys, they're pretty much on the same page, right, as what I was talking about myself. All right, now let's get into some more stuff here, guys. Now let's get into this here. Now it says Dogecoin following the path of Bitcoin for use case. All right, now this is out of FX Empire. It goes to say, it says Dogecoin has come a long way since being founded as a joke. It's funny how all people, they start off that way, talking about how it was a joke and a meme coin. Anyways, the meme coin, as known, has muscled its way into the top 8 cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of a USD 26.8 billion. With Doge hovering at USD around 20 cents, the Dogecoin community has become increasingly bullish on the potential of this meme coin. They are increasingly comparing their favorite cryptocurrency to Bitcoin, especially since billionaire Elon Musk showed a preference for Doge, which has fueled a rivalry. Then it says Bitcoin, major use case, or a store of value for what it is. Now they're giving the reason, they're going to compare the both, right, guys? And now it says Bitcoin. Major use cases are a store of value for what it competes with precious metals and gold. And it says, and as a payment method. Lately, Bitcoin is digital real estate. Has also been trending on social media for features such as scarcity, fungibility, liquidity, and the fact that it is programmable money. For instance, Bitcoin can also shine as a payment method where it can be used in real estate transactions when the stars align. Now it says for Doge, it says now Dogecoin's use case as a payment method could potentially be on the rise too, which it is, guys. There's over 1,400 companies that accept it as a form of payment right now, right? And it keeps growing, right? And if it didn't have no use case, then these companies wouldn't look at it and accept it as a form of payment. It says one Doge fan and homeowner in the state of Utah has put his home up on the market for listing price of $389K. The homeowner, Scott Paul, is in the helm of a company called Woolly, and according to reports, it is a cryptocurrency investor. Paul is willing to slash the price by 10% for a buyer who is willing to pay for the home in Dogecoin, right? He reportedly believes in Dogecoin, the future is a payment method, and he is looking to help the meme coin attain wide-scale adoption, right? And it is, guys, that's helping Bitcoin, right? Then it says it is not a hard decision to make, and that is why I would discount right now, because I believe it would go up in value. Obviously, the gentleman is talking about Dogecoin. It says the Dogecoin price appears to be stuck in at around 20 cents levels as of lately. For its part, Bitcoin is hovering just below the 40K threshold after climbing from below USD 30K. All right, I'm not going to finish reading that, guys. But all right, guys, so you know what I mean? They're kind of comparing, right, the both, right, on how they're both used as a form of payment, if you will, you know what I mean, and how Dogecoin is kind of following Bitcoin, right? And that's a positive thing, guys. That's not a bad thing, you know what I mean? So, alrighty here. What else did I have here? That's pretty much, oh no, yeah, you know what, they pretty much talked about it in that article there, guys, about this gentleman selling his house, right? It says, why this Utah man is offering 10% discount to anyone willing to buy his house for Dogecoin. Now, I'm not going to read the article, guys. If you want to check it out yourself, go ahead. But this is a positive catalyst for Doge, you know what I mean, guys? Because it's talking about Doge. It came out on the news back in Utah. Just think about all the people that may have never heard of Dogecoin and now have. Right, we're in the beginning stages, guys, of adoption for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general. For those who are patient, man, we're going to be rewarded, man, and we will become crypto millionaires. You got to be patient, guys. But anyways, this is what your boy Hamaji had. Hopefully it was informative, useful, insightful. Hopefully you stayed with me to the end. If you did, thank you very much. Appreciate the love. You guys stay safe, stay blessed, and until tomorrow, guys, peace out.